Kia ora and welcome back. My name's Zoe Stebe, your vocal coach for today, and I help singers go from feeling frustrated and overwhelmed about their voices to singing confidently, clearly, and without flaws. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can practice and improve your intonation. Intonation is the accuracy of a given pitch, whether it be on the keyboard or piano or with the singing voice. Intonation can either be flat, which means that it is under the note, or it can be sharp, which means it is over the note. One of the fundamental skills of singing is singing the correct pitch. How can you practice your pitch and intonation? Well, you're going to need a little bit of feedback for this one. You can either go and organize a session with a vocal coach like myself, or you can use a number of ear training and intonation apps, which include Sing and See, which is a computer program for your desktop or laptop, or you can have a look at the app Nail the Pitch. Both of those show you the note that you are singing in real time. Another aspect of intonation is not only singing the correct pitch, but also hearing the correct pitch. This is an important skill because it enables you to follow along with accompaniment or karaoke tracks as you are singing your song without the singer singing with you. So let's get straight to it. How can you practice your pitch and intonation? Starting with a 5-note scale. For example, we would start training on an E vowel and sing E. Nice and slowly, listening to each individual pitch as you sing up the scale. For those of you who are using pitch training software, we're going to be starting on the A below middle C. On an E vowel. 3, 4. E. It's your turn. Now I am going up in half step or semitone intervals to ensure that you are hitting every single note that you can. Let's keep going. Excellent. Let's keep going. 2 more. Last one. Are you ready? We're on an E flat as the starting note. 3, 4. Wonderful. That's just an example of that very simple 5-note exercise. It's perfect for you to start working in a slightly smaller range of notes and making sure that every single note has the correct intonation. While you're practicing your pitching and intonation, I want you to think about how the note feels, which is why we always go up and then back down to the original starting note. If you are finding that you are not coming back to the same note when you are coming back down the scale, then try and sing that first starting note, for example, the C, the middle C. E. You take a break and then you sing it again. E. E. And I know it seems like that is a really slow moving exercise, but it's the perfect way for you to think the note before you sing it. So the way in which we correct our intonation is by thinking the note before we sing it. My favorite ear training software is Aurelia, and that is a software where you can go right from the absolute basics through to advanced harmony exercises and notation. My other favorite ear training software from the ABRSM Board of Examinations. Now, while you're training your ears and your singing intonation, it's important that you get regular feedback. And whether that's from a vocal coach like myself, booking in for ad hoc lessons, just to double check that you're on the right path, what you can also do is record yourself and listen back to your practice. Now, until you get slightly better with your intonation, that one's going to be a little bit difficult. So I really do encourage you to seek help with your intonation and pitching right at the beginning of your training, just to make sure that you are progressing and listening to the correct note. Don't forget, your mouth is quite far away from your ears, which means that we can often hear the incorrect pitch that we are singing. Little and often is the right way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button, because I bring out videos just like this one every single week. Ka kite anō!